Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you change your device name on iPhone. So guys, to change your device name on iPhone, go to settings. Now after going to settings, here you can see general, click on it. Now after going to general, click the top about, and again in the top here you can see name, which is your device name. Click on it. Now just change your device name as you like, and after changing your device name, in the bottom right side here you can see done. Just click on done and your device name will be changed. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.